My name is Brooke, and I'm a physical therapist. How have I benefited from Rebound's mentorship program? I have grown leaps and bounds in terms of leadership and being able to even just learn more kind of the business side of physical therapy. Specifically being able to reach out to anybody else who has a specialty in a specific area in a less structured sense. I have people at my fingertips every day who have higher knowledge in anything that I might want or need to know, and everybody's available to answer my questions, specifically being able to have new opportunities that you may not get in school or clinically as far as leadership goes, supporting and providing resources for me to go do continuing education courses in areas where I would like to expand my knowledge, providing it in-house, being able to go to a course in whatever aspect that might be so that I can improve my depth of knowledge in a certain area and that kind of thing. What do I think about Rebound's quality of care? I think that, again, our focus is second to none in terms of getting our patients back to doing what they want to do. We get feedback often from our patients. You guys are really focused on getting me back to doing what I want to do, not just getting rid of my pain. I think that speaks volumes on our quality of care and how we see the patient and why they're here. How do I feel about the one-on-one care? That is very important to me, as I know it. If I were a patient, that would be very important. You want to feel seen and heard, and like you're getting that one-on-one attention. You're not just having 4 other people to try to pay attention to. So it makes the volume of patients that we see much more manageable as well. So the one-on-one care is definitely one of the major reasons why I love Rebound as well.